Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to disable Windows Boot Manager in Windows 11, 10. Type sysdm.cpl in Windows search bar, click sysdm.cpl. Click Advanced, click Settings under Startup and Recovery. Uncheck Time to display list of operating systems. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.